What's the first thing that comes to mind when you think about diabetes and fruits? Is it a big fat no? Well, you might want to reconsider that thought. It's a common misconception that fruits are off limits if you have diabetes. Sure, they contain sugar, but it's natural sugar. It's a whole different ball game from the refined sugars lurking in processed foods. Fruits are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can help regulate blood sugar levels. But remember, the key here isn't total avoidance but moderation. Eating an entire watermelon? Probably not the best idea, but a slice or two? That's a different story. It's about balancing your fruit intake with other foods in your diet, not banishing them altogether. So, are you ready to debunk some fruit myths? Let's dive into the world of fruits and diabetes. All right, let's kick things off with fruits you should be eating if you're diabetic. First up, we've got berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, and have a relatively low glycemic index. This means they won't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. Toss them into a salad, whip up a smoothie, or enjoy them as a snack on their own. Next, let's talk about apples. Sure, there's that old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But it's not far from the truth. Apples are a good source of fiber and vitamin C, and they also have a low glycemic index. The key here is to eat the skin. That's where most of the fiber is found, so wash that apple well and enjoy it, skin and all. Lastly, for this part, we've got oranges. These citrus fruits are not only refreshing, but they're also a great source of fiber and vitamin C. Additionally, they have a medium glycemic index, which means they can help you maintain steady blood sugar levels. They're perfect for a midday snack or a flavorful addition to your meals. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some berries, apples, or oranges. We're not done yet. There are still more fruits to add to your shopping list. Let's dive headfirst into the world of avocados, cherries, and peaches. Starting with avocados, they're not only trendy on toast, but also a boon for diabetics. Being a low glycemic fruit, avocados won't spike your blood sugar levels. Plus, they're loaded with healthy fats and fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied. These green gems also pack a punch of vitamins and minerals, bolstering your overall health. Next, let's talk about cherries. These small, vibrant fruits are high in antioxidants and low on the glycemic index, making them an excellent choice for people with diabetes. Cherries can help reduce inflammation, lower blood sugar levels, and even improve sleep quality thanks to their melatonin content. So, next time you see cherries at the supermarket, don't hesitate to pop a few into your basket. Lastly, we have peaches. These juicy fruits aren't just a summer favorite. They're also a good fit for a diabetic diet. Peaches are low on the glycemic index and high in fiber, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Plus, they're packed with vitamins A and C, promoting eye health and boosting the immune system. So, there you have it. Avocados, cherries, and peaches. Each one is a powerhouse of nutrients and a friend to those managing diabetes. Avocados, cherries, and peaches sounds like a delicious salad, doesn't it? And it's diabetic friendly too. Now, let's talk about the fruits you might want to steer clear of. First up on this list is the banana. Bananas are a great source of potassium and vitamin B6, but they also pack a sugar punch. One medium-sized banana contains around 14 grams of sugar, which can lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels if you're not careful. Next, we have pineapples. While they're juicy, delicious, and brimming with vitamin C, they're also high in sugar. 1 cup of pineapple chunks contains about 16 grams of sugar. That's a hefty dose of sweetness that can send your blood glucose levels soaring. Our third fruit to be wary of is the grape. Now, grapes are a tricky one. They're small, they're tasty, and they're easy to eat by the handful. But here's the kicker. Just 1 cup of grapes has 23 grams of sugar. That's more than some candy bars. And finally, the watermelon. Cool, refreshing, and perfect for a hot summer's day. But did you know that watermelon has a high glycemic index? This means it can cause a swift increase in your blood sugar levels. Remember, these fruits aren't completely off limits, but moderation is key. It's all about balance, folks. Don't deprive yourself of these delicious fruits, but be mindful of the portions. After all, managing diabetes doesn't mean you can't enjoy life's sweet moments. It's about making informed choices. We've got a few more fruits to add to the eat sparingly list. Let's dive right in, shall we? First up, we have mangoes. Now, don't get me wrong, mangoes are absolutely delicious, but they're also high in sugar, making them a less than ideal choice for those keeping an eye on their glucose levels. Next on our list are dates. While packed with nutrients, dates are also incredibly high in sugar and carbs, so they're best enjoyed in moderation. Then we have lychees. These little fruits are a bit of a sugar bomb. A single serving of lychees contains nearly the same amount of sugar as a can of soda. Certainly not a daily snack, my friends. Finally, we come to pomegranates. These beautiful fruits are rich in antioxidants, but they also pack a hefty sugar punch. So enjoy them, but sparingly. Now, let's summarize. While fruits are a key part of a healthy diet, not all fruits are created equal, especially when you are managing diabetes. Fruits like berries, apples, and oranges are your friends, while fruits like bananas, grapes, mangoes, and dates are best enjoyed in moderation. So there you have it, a guide to fruits for those with diabetes. Remember, it's not about total avoidance, but smart choices in moderation. After all, the goal is to enjoy the sweetness of life without the bitter aftertaste of poor health.